Hey guys, this is Seamus Johnson of My Lawnmower Repair Guy. I want to show you guys how to test the batteries inside your machines. Different machines, from how they're made, how they're designed, the components that are on there is going to require different amount of power. Um, some machines require a lot more power, some of them don't. This machine right here is a John Deere S170. This has an electric PTO clutch. This is going to require a different style charging system and a little more power than your regular pull up your handle or regular clutch cable style engagement system. And the reason why this requires more power because that PTO clutch is pulling power at all times when that knob is pulled up. When it's on, it pulls power from that battery. So you need a bigger system to recharge that battery or replenish that battery while it's running. So I'm gonna get my stuff here and I'm gonna show you here real quick. So now I got my voltmeter, but basically what you want to do now is you want to start the machine up. I'm not on the machine. I got the parking brake set. It ain't gonna move. It ain't gonna go nowhere. You want to start your machine up, put it probably about half throttle. I got my machine, I started up, I put it about half throttle. You want to be putting out probably maybe an amp, maybe 2 amps at the most. So it was reading like 14.7. So that's about 2 more amps than what the 12 volt battery is actually has. That's about where you want to be. You might see 14 and a half, you might see 15. You really don't want to get over that. But if you crank it up and you have an electric style PTO clutch on there, that's about where you want to be. If you're 10, if you're 11 volts, if you're 12 volts, 12 and a half, 1275, you're really not putting out a whole lot of power to replenish that battery. That's probably why you're having battery issues or battery problems. You have to keep recharge your battery. You want to be at least the minimum of 13, 13 and a quarter, 13 and a half, 14 is about ideal. If you're not getting that kind of power out of it, you have another issue somewhere. You probably have a bad stator or either a bad voltage regulator. That's what's causing your batteries to go dead. But also too, that's how you check your battery with it running to show how much power the alternator or voltage regulator is putting out. If you like my videos, like, share, and subscribe.